In this video, we'll show you how to set a quota. When the sales manager accesses their forecast module, they will see their name at the top left of the page along with an arrow which allows them to drill down into their own personal worksheets, the team worksheets, and their employees' worksheets. Sales manager's personal worksheet works similar to how a regular sales rep works with their opportunities or revenue line items. You can also view different time periods, view the summary and the committed history, filters when they're working with a team worksheet, and their reportees forecast data. On the right side of each page is an expandable intelligence panel which offers additional insight into the forecast worksheet. For a sales manager to set a quota for an employee, all they have to do is click in the quota field for each user that reports to them and type in the currency amount and click commit. This quota will now display in the sales rep's forecast worksheet as seen in the next video.